Greetings to my fellow Mandalorian brothers and sisters out there. I wanted to do this short video today on a problem some of us might be dealing with on a regular basis when we're wearing our kits, specifically prescription glasses. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a really cool modification I did to my helmet. Alright, so you are wearing your Mandalorian helmet, but you also wear prescription glasses. I don't wear contacts. You may not wear them, you may have them, it's hard to say. The problem is you're wearing your helmet wherever you are. You want to read something, you have to take your helmet off, put your glasses on, read what you want to read, do what you're going to do, take your glasses off, put your helmet on, wash, rinse, repeat. It gets annoying, okay? At least it does for me. So I came up with an idea. It really wasn't that hard. It wasn't a whole lot of engineering. It was just a lot of trial and error. What I did was this. It's a pair of old prescription glasses that are mounted inside the helmet. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, I'm going to put this down. Alright, these are an older pair of glasses that I had laying around the house. Okay, what I did was, and it's really quite simple, is I just removed these pieces here, the ear arms, ear bows I think they're called, I'm not entirely sure. I took some duct tape that I had laying around and I wrapped the duct tape around the glasses, the arm, and on both sides, okay? And then I took the helmet and I taped the glasses to the inside of the helmet, probably right around here somewhere, okay, on the inside, okay? And with some trial and error, I positioned them so when I put the helmet on, the glasses fall right where I need them, roughly. They're not super tight. They're not like wearing a pair of glasses with the ear arms, but they fall right in a position where I can look around, I can see, and if I have to, I can tilt my head just right, and I can read. I can read my cell phone if it goes off and I'm getting a text message. I can read a con pamphlet, you know, that might have photo op times, you know, panel times, locations, like, you know, what rooms they're in. If I'm out and about shopping with my wife and family or whatnot, and I'm looking at stuff, I can read labels, I can read boxes, you know, and it was really a simple fix. It was a little bit of trial and error getting it positioned right, you know, but it took maybe 15-20 minutes to get in the right spot. And now when I put my helmet on, I'll show you one more time, the glasses fall right across the bridge of my nose, and I can see. And so I just wanted to share that with some folks. There were some posts on the Mandalorian Brotherhood Facebook group that I'm a part of that was asking specifically about this. So I thought I'd do this real quick video tonight and share that with everybody. Alright, so that's it. That's the eyeglasses, the prescription eyeglass modification that I did for my helmet. Before I go, I want to give a big shout out to Nico Industries. It's where I got the STL file for the helmet for my 3D printer. It took about 2 days to print this on my CR10. I love it. Nico's got great customer service, so if you own a 3D printer and you want to start printing out armor, check them out. So I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching, and remember folks, this is the way.